this cover off just to give me a little bit more room. Just grab underneath the front and just slide it out like that. The connector for the O2 sensor is right here. If you take a trim tool, we can pop it off this bracket. Just slide that off there. And we can disconnect it right here. There's a little lock on there, so you want to pop that lock off. Just grab it and pull it out. It's just like a pin. And then there's a clip right here. Just pop that clip up. And there's the connector for it. And the other end, this is the connector connected to the O2 sensor. Take an O2 sensor socket. It happens to be a 7/8 with a slot in it. And just slide it down here with an extension. You're going to go over the O2 sensor. And loosen it up. And this should slide right out. And there's the O2 sensor. Now slide the O2 sensor back in place. It's lined up. Get that started. Now we're going to tighten this up. If you have the ability to fit a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 30 foot-pounds. You take the socket out. And grab the connector. You want to connect the connector right here. Lock it in, and then take that little lock tab, slide that through, and then where that bracket is underneath, slide it into that bracket, just like that. Now I'll put the cover on, slide it in position, and lock it down.